Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everyone. This video is consistency over perfection. And the way I'm able to stay in great shape all year long is about consistency, and I don't worry about perfection. So I stick to a routine and I just show up every day. So I just want to give everyone a little bit of motivation that you don't have to worry about perfection, but just show up and do something every day and find a routine that works for you. Now, my routine involves intermittent fasting, a plant-based diet, and fitness. I enjoy calisthenics and running. I keep my routine very simple, and anyone can really do this. So I broke my fast on this day at 12:30 p.m., and I started with this banana green smoothie. Now, this had 3 dates. It had 5 ripe bananas. It also had a bowl of kale and some ice. And I blended it up really well. And then after that, I added a few tablespoons of soaked chia seeds and a large tablespoon of cacao powder. And then I just mixed it real slowly from that point. And that made over a liter. It was really delicious. Try it out. I hadn't had a smoothie like that in a while, so it was a nice change from what I've been having. Then at 3 p.m., I had a bowl of grapes, which were really delicious. And just after that, I had a serving of oatmeal, and I chopped up an apple to put in there, as well as some pecans, some cinnamon, some brown sugar, and a splash of almond milk. So that was a good combination. I hadn't had in a while either. And then at 6 p.m., I finished off with dinner with a salad, a veggie sandwich, and a bowl of minestrone soup. And I had seconds of these as well. And that was it for the day. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.